Welcome to the session on cloud computing and its application. In this session, we will see some of the cloud application on multimedia applications and multiplayer online gaming. Starting with multimedia applications. Media applications has taken a considerable advantage from leveraging cloud computing technologies. In particular, video processing operations such as encoding, transcoding, composition, and rendering are good candidates for a cloud-based environment. These are computationally intensive tasks that can be easily offloaded to the cloud computing infrastructures. In media application, first example is Animoto. Animoto is the most popular example of media application on the cloud. The website provides the user with the very straightforward interface for quickly creating videos out of images, music, and video fragments submitted by users. Users select a specific theme for the video, upload the photos and videos, and order them in the sequence they want to appear. Select the song for the music and render the video. The process is executed in the background and the user is notified via email once the video is rendered. The core value of Animoto is the ability to quickly create video with stunning effects without the user intervention. The AI engine that selects the animation and transition effect according to the picture and music drives the rendering operation. User only have to define the storyboard by organizing pictures and videos in a desired sequence. If not, the video can be rendered again and the engine will select a different composition, thus providing a different outcome every time. The service allows creating 30 seconds video for free. By paying a monthly or a yearly subscription, it is possible to provide video of any length and to choose among a wide range of templates. This is the this is the diagram of Animoto as I have already explained. Next we will see Maya rendering with Anika. Interesting applications of multimedia processing are found in the engineering discipline and the movie production industry. Operations such as rendering of models are now an integral part of the design workflow, which has become computationally demanding. The visualization of mechanical models is not only used at the end of the design process, but it is iteratively used to improve the design. It is then fundamental to perform such tasks as fast as possible. Cloud computing provides engineers with the necessary computing power to make this happen. This is the diagram of 3D rendering on private cloud. Next we will see video encoding on the cloud. Video encoding and transcoding are the operations that can take a great benefit from using cloud technologies. They are computationally intensive and potentially requires considerable amount of storage. Moreover, the continuous improvement of mobile devices as well as the diffusion of internet requests for the video content have significantly increased. The variety of devices with video playback capacities has led to the explosion of video formats through which a video can be delivered. Software and hardware for video encoding and transcoding often have prohibited cost or are not flexible enough to support conventions from any format to any other format. Cloud technologies present an opportunity for turning these tedious and often demanding tasks into services that can be easily integrated into different workflows or made available to everyone according to their needs. Encoding.com is a software solution that offers video transcoding services on demand and leverages cloud technology to provide both the horsepower required for video conversion and the storage for staging videos. The service integrates both with Amazon Web Services such as EC2, S3 and CloudFront and Rackspace. User can access the services through a variety of interfaces such as encoding.com website, web services XML APIs, desktop applications, and watched folders. In order to use the services, user have to specify the location of the video to transcode, the destination format, and the target location of the video. Encoding.com also offers the other video editing operations such as the insertion of thumbnails, watermark, or logos. Moreover, it is also extends its capability to audio and image conversion. The service provides different pricing options, monthly fees, pay as you go type, and special prices for high volumes. Encoding.com has up to more than 2000 customers and has already processed more than 10 million videos. Next we will see multiplayer online gaming. Online player gaming attracts millions of gamers around the world that share a common experience by playing together on a virtual environment that extends beyond the boundaries of normal LAN. Online games support hundreds of players in the same session, and this is made possible by the specific architecture used to forward interaction that is based on game log processing. Players update the game server hosting the game session, and the server integrates all the updates into the log that is made available to the players through a TCP port. The client software used for the game connects to the log port, and by reading the log updates, the local user interfaces with the action of the other players. Game log processing is also utilized to build statistics on players and rank them. These features constitute the additional features of online gaming ports that attracts more and more gamers. The processing of game log is a potentially compute intensive operation that strongly depends on the number of players online and the number of games monitored. Moreover, gaming portals are web applications and therefore might suffer from spiky behaviors of the users that can randomly generate large amount of volatile workloads that do not justify capacity planning. The use of cloud computing technology can provide the required elasticity of seamlessly processing these workloads and scale as required when the number of users increase. The prototype implementation of cloud-based game log processing has been implemented by Titan, a company based in California that extended its gaming portal to offload game log processing to the cloud by using Aneka. The prototype has utilized a private cloud deployment that has allowed Titan to process concurrently multiple logs and sustain a large number of users. This is the diagram for multiplayer online gaming system, which I have already explained. All the videos on the cloud applications was taken by the from the textbook Mastering Cloud Computing, written by Rajkumar Bhuya. We thank Rajkumar Bhuya for his wonderful contributions. Um, Here completes this chapter number 10, module number 5.